Hello everyone, welcome to Students Point. This is 28th of February and we are going to see all of the important questions for the day. So pay your attention till the end. And to get the updates of all these videos, you can join us on Telegram by writing the channel's name, Students Point. You can also follow us on Instagram by writing the username, The Students Point. And if you find the video useful, then don't hesitate to like the video and do share the video with as many friends of yours. Also to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification of all the videos at the earliest. Now here's the question for the day. Before the question, आप सभी को अगले वीक के लिए वर्क दिया जा रहा है दैट यू हैव टू रिवाइज करंट अफेयर्स फ्रॉम 10th of January टिल 20th of January. तो नेक्स्ट वीक में यानी कि व्हेन वी विल स्टार्ट द सीरीज फ्रॉम मंडे वी विल टेक क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम this days, that is from 10th of January till 20th of January. So everyone be prepared. And question for today is, who has announced that the government will be starting a new campaign named as Know Your Constitution soon. हालांकि ये क्वेश्चन पुराना है. I think the question is from 9th or 10th or 11th of January. So let's see how many of you can recall the answer. Let's begin now. The first question. The 5 All India surveys are being conducted by Labour Bureau in. तो ये 5 सर्वेस किए जा रहे हैं पूरे इंडिया लेवल पे लेबर ब्यूरो के द्वारा और इसे किया जा रहा है इन चंडीगढ़. सो हियर बी इज राइट आंसर. दिस 5 सर्वेज इंक्लूड ऑल इंडिया सर्वे ऑन माइग्रेंट वर्कर्स, ऑल इंडिया सर्वे ऑन डोमेस्टिक वर्कर्स, ऑल इंडिया सर्वे ऑन एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेटेड बाय प्रोफेशनल्स, then All India Survey on Employment Generated in Transport Sector, and lastly All India Quarterly Establishment Based Employment Survey. This will assess the employment situation in establishment with more than 10 workers as well as less than 10 workers. Next question now. Delimitation Commission created for the territorial adjustment of Jammu and Kashmir, the newly created union territory, is chaired by. So this commission is being chaired by Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai. So here A is the right answer. See, Article 82 of the Constitution mandates that Parliament has the authority to pass Delimitation Act to create any such commission for territorial readjustment either for the constituency of Parliament or for the states. So accordingly, Parliament till now has passed 4 such acts, 4 Delimitation Commission Acts. The first in 1952, the second in 1962, and the third such act was passed in the year of 1972, and lastly in 2002. So 4 such acts have been passed till now. And why news? Because recently the meeting has been called by Justice Ranjana Prakash Desai with the associate members from Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir for seeking their suggestions on the process of delimitation in respect of Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. To get the PDFs of all these videos, you can join to either of the subscription plan. The first plan is for 2 months and the second plan is for 4 months. The link to subscribe have been provided below in the comment section as well as in the description of the box. साथ ही सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद यू हैव टू सेंड योर कन्फर्मेशन मेल हियर एट pointstudent2020@gmail.com. साथ ही इफ़ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर UPSC फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर और PCS एग्जामिनेशंस फॉर दिस ईयर, देन डू enroll as soon as possible for this course. The fee is just ₹2499. You can even choose to pay it in 2 installments, and after payment you have to send your confirmation mail here at pointstudent2020@gmail.com. साथ ही इसका भी लिंक आपको कमेंट सेक्शन में और वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया गया है. इफ़ यू वांट टू स्टडी इकोनॉमी, देन द फी फॉर इंटायर इकोनॉमी सिलेबस इज जस्ट ₹599. दिस विल कवर योर सिलेबस फॉर UPSC, PCS एंड EPFO. अगेन द लिंक हैज़ बीन गिवन फॉर दिस कोर्स इन द कमेंट सेक्शन एंड इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. One more. See, sometimes I don't get time. Actually, I don't have time on daily basis. So if I am unable to upload the video like questions, I will try to upload the current affairs at least in news summary format. So instead of making questions sometime, I might be uploading videos of news summary. I will take the title and summarize the important points or bullet points of that news. So will it be okay with everyone? I will try to do that, because instead of not uploading the video, I think it is better to at least upload the video like it news summary, if on those days when I have little time. जिस दिन भी समय कम होगा, I will try to upload the video in news summary format, ना कि वीडियो ना अपलोड करने से. I think that option is better. Okay, so next question now. Go Electric campaign has been launched by. So this campaign has been launched by Ministry of Road Transportation. So here B is the right answer. The campaign has been launched to spread awareness with respect to benefits of electric vehicles charging infrastructure. साथ ही it will raise awareness regarding e-mobility, electric cooking across the country. Next question now. Consider the following statements about Wildlife Crime Control Bureau. The Wildlife Crime Control Bureau has received the Asia Environmental Enforcement Award 2020. So this option is correct. It is awarded by United Nations Environmental Program. This is also correct. So both of these options are right. So C is the right answer. देखिए हुआ क्या है, लास्ट 3 years में Wildlife Control Bureau has won the award twice, and it has been awarded this year under innovation category. Last time the Bureau has received award in 2018 under the same category, that was innovation category. Wildlife Crime Control Bureau is a statutory body constituted under Wildlife Protection Act of 1972, and it comes under Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Change. So remember that it has been awarded under innovation category. The next question now. Which city has won a green contest among cities in world and has emerged as one of the 3 cities of the world? So it is Hyderabad of Telangana. So here B is the right answer. Hyderabad has won a green contest among cities in India and has emerged one of the 3 cities of the world. That title has been bestowed by the Arbor Day Foundation and the Food and Agriculture Organization. Hyderabad has been selected for its commitment to growing and maintaining urban forestry under the state government's हरित हरम प्रोग्राम. तो पूछ सकते हैं आपसे ये भी सवाल कि हरित हरम प्रोग्राम has been started by which state? So it has been started by the state of Telangana. उसके लिए Hyderabad was selected, and Hyderabad has performed very well in maintaining urban forestry. So now it has also got global recognition, and it has been included in the list of 120 countries. Among these 120 countries, बहुत अच्छे cities from US, UK, Canada and Australia भी included किए गए हैं. साथ ही the city was evaluated on 5 metrics. These 5 metrics were: establish responsibility, set the rules, know what you have, allocate the resources and celebrate the achievements. If you have found the video useful till now, then don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Also subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's see some more points in news. Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution has recently issued a separate guidelines for sugar mills and cane commissioners in regard to sale of sugar below MSP price, that is rupees 3100 per quintal. So Ministry of Consumer Affairs has clearly clarified that अगर इस MSP के नीचे if anyone is buying, then action will be taken against those entities. तो यहाँ पे important fact है that MSP for sugar is rupees 3100 per quintal. Next news now. The UK is set to conduct the first COVID-19 human challenge trial within a month from now. A human challenge trial क्या है? See, the human challenge trial are not necessarily a part of vaccine development, but still developers believe that such a trial must be conducted because many trials which gives certain results on animals might not give the same results if applied on humans. इसलिए it is important to go for SCTs, and this is because this will help us to get even better data which can be applied on humans. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट नाउ, इसमें किया क्या जाएगा, तो इसमें पीपल विल बी डायरेक्टली इन्फेक्टेड विद द वायरस एंड देयर आफ्टर उन पे वैक्सीन भी लगाया जाएगा टू चेक द इफिकेसी ऑफ वैक्सीन ऑन एन इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन. नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ नाउ, एयर पोल्यूशन क्लेम्ड approximately 54,000 lives in Delhi in the year 2020 according to the Greenpeace Southeast Asia analysis of cost to the economy due to air pollution. It has also listed 6 Indian cities. These are Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Hyderabad and Lucknow, which have been featured in global analysis. And to get the PDFs, join either of the plan and send your confirmation mail here. Also, don't hesitate to like the video and share the video with your friends. Do subscribe and press the bell icon. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching.